What's going on, everybody? Presenting the 2012 Honda GoldWing. The 2012 model was a slight redesign year with updated styling, updated suspension, and updated stereo and a few other nice things. And we have one for sale here in Atlanta, Georgia, East Cobb, Marietta area. And it's a fantastic bike, has about 38,000 miles and runs fantastic like most GoldWings do. So let's take a look at it real quick. This color is fantastic, you know, it's the candy red and silver. That's a new thing with the 2012s. They went to more of a two-tone color scheme, and I really like it a lot. This is a non-ABS, non-GPS, non-airbag model. So the base model, I guess you'd call it. But in fantastic condition, never been wrecked. Adult driven, you know, by an older gentleman. It has stereo, CD player, tire pressure monitoring, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats. Intercom cords. We don't have the intercom headsets to go with it, but you know, it does have internal intercom. You can adjust the headlight angle, the suspension preload. Has various cubby holes. Got tons of storage on this thing, as well as this little guy here comes off for storage. Gas cap is under here. It's always been run with non-ethanol fuel. There's a heated seat adjuster for the driver, heated grip adjuster, vents, you know, for warm air. You got ventilation. It also has, you can raise and lower the windscreen just by hand. A little ventilation through the windscreen that can be adjusted like so. Little cubby holds on the sides here. Stereo speakers front and rear. There's your radio antenna, CB radio antenna. Passenger seat heater adjuster, which is fantastic. I think this is one of the best colors of this model, in my opinion. Totally sharp looking. It's all stock, you know, no modifications or anything done to it. Let's open the trunk right there. Also has the owner's manual. It'll actually have 3 keys as well as the key fob. And with the key fob is pretty sweet. The key fob will lock everything on it. You can sound an alarm, you know, if you're looking for your bike, or if you're in a, you know, situation where you need to sound the horn, that button will do that. The trunk button opens right here, like so. And the side bags open from the side, little levers right underneath there. Right there and there. Tons of storage. That was another update for the 2012, is they increased the storage capacity a little bit. You can actually fit a helmet. You know, you can fit helmets in here. You can also lock helmets. If you want to hook your helmet here when you're parked, you can hook them there and there for secure storage. Intercom plug for the passenger. Intercom plug for the driver. All your audio controls, CB, regular radio. You can also plug in USB, has a USB port right there, so you can plug in other devices to be controlled with the audio system. CB radio, all your cruise, kill switch.
And a little thing that I love about the Smokehouse Barbecue Bacon Sandwich is
go.
when I take a bite, it's the perfect blend from the bacon to the cheese. It's perfection.
Hey, I'm Katora, and a little thing.
Totally awesome. It's always stored indoors, kept clean, properly serviced. I see, it has like one little nick where it touched a wall going into a parking area. Little bitty scratch. And let's hear this beauty run. (1832 cc's), smooth as silk engine. If you've never ridden a GoldWing, it's just so smooth on the highway, silky smooth. Good gas mileage. It gets about 35 to 40 miles per gallon. It has linked brakes. Front and rear brakes are linked together, but it does not have ABS. But when you use the front brake lever, it will actuate both brakes, front and rear, so to give you a little enhanced braking power. She is a beauty. And we are in Atlanta, Georgia on the north side, Marietta, East Cobb location. This bike can be shipped throughout the lower 48 states. It can be delivered locally. We can accept PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, cash, cashier's check, of course. and see the links in the description and the comments of where this bike is for sale, where you can find all info about it, pricing and that sort of thing. She is a lovely, I really think it's pretty. And this was a significant, styling change. And I think Honda really knocked it out of the park with the two-tone coloring and a little bit of modifications they did to the bagging and that sort of thing. So it's totally awesome. As my neighbor is blowing leaves next door. Anyway, she's beautiful and ready to rock and roll, so see the ad link down below where you can find all the info about it. 2012 Honda GoldWing, non-ABS, non-airbag, non-GPS model. About 38,000 miles. Runs fantastic. Y'all have a great day.